Second set, Naukasanam. Ready? 30 count holding position. Slowly come to final position. Stay there and stay strong. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, padkoddu, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side, sitting position. Down to abdomen side. Join foot, knee, thigh. Next counter asan, Sarpasanam. Join foot, knee, thigh. Both palms just beside shoulders, ears, lips closed. Total lift upper body. While lift upper body, always join foot, knee, thigh. Always lock foot, knee, thigh. Ready. Slowly lift upper body, elbow. Total hands should be straight. Lift head, eyeball facing roof. రెండు పాదాలని మోకాల్ని తాడేసి గట్టిగా కట్టినట్టుగా ఉండాలి. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Again, straight down on abdomen. Straight down on abdomen. Both palms under your chin. Hands under your chin. Ardha Shalabhashanam. Lift right leg. Lift right leg. Right leg make it 90. Right leg straight, pull up. No cross. తాడేసి కాల్ని పైకి లేపినట్టుగా ఉండాలి. In the final position, no shivering, no jerks. Stay there like a statue. Ardha Shalabhashanam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right leg relax. Now left leg. Lift left leg. Come on, pull up, straight, straight, no cross. Pakkaka vaalipovoddu. Straight, pull up. 12, 11, 10, 9, lift cheyali. 8, inka 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Parvatasanam. Separate legs. Don't lift heel. Full foot on mat, full sole on mat. Legs straight. Legs straight. Tighten both kneecap. మోకాలు చెప్పులు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, head, neck, upper back and mid back. wrist, elbow, shoulder, head, neck, upper back and mid back. Total pull down. Pull down like a dog. Downward dog position. Parvatasanam. Only find your abdomen. Not mat, not foot, not kneecap, not thigh. Eyeball facing only stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Sashankashanam. With the brick support, butterfly. Brick మీద పాదాలు పెట్టుకోవాలి. Both foot on brick. Mid back push out, mid back straight. Lift head, eyeball facing roof. Now thigh, hips full up and full down. Thigh, hips full up and full down. Full strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit in Vajrasanam. With the ball support or without ball support, your wish. Supta Vajrasanam. With ball or without ball, your wish. Supta Vajrasanam. Try to relax top of the head on the mat. Eyeball facing mat, eyeball facing floor. Both hands on your tummy. ఒక మోచే దించాలి. ఒక మోచే దించకపోతే ఎప్పటికీ రాదు అది. One elbow down. At least take one elbow support. ఒక మోచే దించండి. ఎక్కడ ఏది విరిగిపోదు, నొప్పి వస్తుంది అంతే. సుప్త వజ్రాసనం. ఒక మోచే దించండి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again try. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. With the 2 dumbbells, hands full rotation clockwise, joint foot, lips close, hands full rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Turn to north side. Separate legs. More wide. Double wide. Brick inside left foot heel. Brick inside left foot ankle. Dumbbell with left hand. Upper body facing sun god wallpaper. Sun god. Both foot turn to left side. Foot turn to left side. Upper body facing sun god wallpaper. Hands above shoulder level. Now edama chayi from left hand side. Turn your upper body to left side. See the corner of cupboard. Try to more twist your upper body to cupboard side. Don't bend your knees. Now bend your upper body. Take support brick with right hand. Don't bend your knees. మోకాలు చెప్పులు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. Don't lift right foot heel. తలపైకి ఎత్తాలి. పైన డంబెల్ చూడాలి. Left hand, left shoulder, left upper back. Pull back side. పారివృత్త త్రికోణాసనం. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, pull back side, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, pull back side, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Standing position. With ball, next counter asana. Ardha Chakra Asanam. Separate legs. Foot straight, no V shape, no cross. Legs straight. Tighten both kneecap. So don't bend your knees, don't bend your legs. Total bend forward. Forward bend. With the ball, hands, head, neck, upper back and mid back. With the ball, both hands, head, neck, upper back and mid back. Lower back, seat, thigh. Total push forward. Nadum munduku tosali. Nadum munduku nettesali. Nadum nilchali, mokal chippal biginchali. With ball, upper body slowly down to back. Look back, find backside floor, backside wall. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, push 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball drop. Hip rotation clockwise. Hip rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With ball, left leg push back. So don't down your hands, don't down your ball. Only lift left leg and touch ball with left foot. Lips close. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Separate legs, half sit-ups. Both foot straight, no V shape, no cross. Hands straight, hands above shoulder level. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, down, stay there. 1, 2, 3, little more down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, ఇంకా కూర్చోవాలి, 8, 7, 6, 5, again try, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Lips close, mouth close. Lips close, mouth close, eyes close. Lips close, mouth close, eyes close. Maintain normal breathe.